Hello, my friends. You don't need years to learn English. You need the right daily routine. Follow this for 7 days and you will feel the difference. Most people try to learn English, but they feel stuck. They watch videos, they read books, but still can't speak confidently. Why? Because they don't follow a system. In this video, I'll give you a simple daily routine that actually works. No complex grammar, no boring methods. Step 1. Listen for 15 minutes daily, not random videos. Simple English content, short conversations, basic stories, slow English videos. Don't try to understand everything. Just listen. Your brain learns patterns automatically. Step 2. Repeat what you hear. This is called shadowing. Audio, how are you doing? Repeat same, how are you doing? Copy the tone. Copy the speed. This builds your speaking muscle. Step 3. Speak alone for 10 minutes. No partner needed. Talk about your day, your plans, your thoughts. Example, today I woke up at 7. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on flow. Step 4. Learn 3 to 5 powerful words daily, not basic words. Upgrade words. Convert very happy to delighted. Convert very tired to exhausted. Use them in sentences. This improves your personality. Step 5. Start thinking in English. Simple thoughts. What am I doing? What will I eat? No translation, no Hindi in your mind. This is the real game changer. Final step, do this daily, not for one day, not for motivation, but for discipline. Even 30 minutes daily can change your English. Listen carefully. English is not a subject, it's a skill. And skills improve with practice, not perfection. Start this routine today, not tomorrow, not next week. Comment routine. If you are serious about improving your English, and subscribe the channel for daily powerful English.